In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily filter unknown senders on your iPhone Messages application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Messages. And then scroll down all the way until you find Unknown and Spam tool. If we get into it, we'll be able to enable filter unknown senders on our device that will sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. Down below, we can select a service that will provide us that service. In Russia, that is Yandex, so I can select Yandex tool to filter my messages. However, if you don't got any services here, you can just stop at none, for example, why not? And basically, guys, after that, if we go back to Messages application and if we tap right here at filters, we'll be able to filter all the messages in Messages application by unknown sender, just like that. These are the messages that are not in my contacts book. There are some services like medical clinics, banks, and so on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.